Okay, we're looking at problem 4, solving with the graphing calculator, and we did this with problem 1 as well. We used our graphing calculator, although they wanted us to graph by hand. And I'm using my free graphing calculator at www.decimals.com. Absolutely free to use. And it asks us what are the solutions of the system. So let's put in our calculator. Y equals negative x plus 5, the first one, and negative x squared plus 4x plus 1 is the second one. And so my solutions are at 1, 4, and 4, 1. And let's see if that's the same thing they got. Yep, 1, 4, and 4, 1. So now let's do the got it. It says what are the solutions of our system. So we have x squared plus 2. Oh, sorry, minus 2. That makes a big difference, doesn't it? See how it changed? And y equals negative x. Okay, so here are my solutions. Negative 2, 2, and 1, negative 1. So let's write that down. Negative 2, 2, and 1, negative 1 are my two solutions. And it says, how else can you solve the system in part A? Well, I can use substitution, right? I can set them both equal to each other, or I can use elimination and I can just change this sign here. So there are two other ways that I can solve that equation. Let's do one. So we have y equals x squared minus 2 and y equals negative x. Let's use substitution. It's one of my favorites. So they're both equal to y, so I can set them equal to each other. So I'm going to have to add x to both sides. And I get, x squared plus x minus 2 equals 0. So my two solutions would be, are the two ways that I can factor it would be x plus 2 and x minus 1. So x equals negative 2 and x equals positive 1. So I have to plug it back in to see what my y values are. I'm going to use this one to do that. So for the first one, y equals negative 2, which is positive 2. So my first solution is at negative 2, 2. And the second one is plugging that in, and I have y equals negative 1. So I have 1, negative 1. And that's the same thing we got when we graphed it. Got negative 2, 2, and 1, negative 1. Negative 2, 2, and 1, negative 1. I hope this helps.